Hi again, Hannah Paris here. So when I joined Tango, the team really helped me to succeed and connect with my fans. And I want to make sure you get the same help and support as I did. So did you know that Tango gives welcome bonuses on your very first stream? Every time you receive diamond gifts from viewers, Tango will add 30% more diamonds. So the longer you stream, the bigger your bonus. Tango promotes successful streams to more viewers as well. So how can you appear on the top? The more viewers and gifters that stay in your stream, the higher you appear in the live tab. And let's talk about consistency. Consistency is super important to become successful on Tango, to gain new fans and make it easy for your top fans to connect with you. Stream every day for at least 2 hours. And one last tip from me, Tango is an international app. So there is always a fan awake somewhere in the world. So any time is a good time to go live. Stream as much as possible and most importantly, go and have some fun.